The issue that's put neighbor against neighbor are these migratory birds, purple martins, that fly from the Brazil rainforest for the spring to mate and raise hatchlings in a backyard in Harahan. Andrew Stamm has been putting up the safe houses called gourds for nearly 40 years. The dwindling colony depends on coming back to them every year in the same spot to survive. 4 neighbors filed complaints 3 years ago about the abundance of droppings, so Wednesday, Judge Stephen Pettit heard the nuisance case. Now, the courtroom was filled to capacity, that's 70 people, and most of them in there were wearing purple in support of the Stamms and the purple martins staying. Now, the judge said this is already a difficult and contentious situation among neighbors, and he asked the people there listening, supporting them, please do not make it worse because there are no evil people on either side.
If you do relocate, they may not come to a new location, and I think we have to support our wildlife.
I'm here because the purple martins are in decline, and we can't be taking houses down, or we need housing.
The complainants said the droppings were on everything from their cars to herb gardens to patio furniture. And the Stamms offered to pressure wash and pay for car washes, but that was not sustainable to them. And it also, they said, puts the burden on them. The Stamms argued that dozens of other neighbors welcome the birds, and the droppings were from other migratory birds. They believe moving the gourds to the river batcher would not work. It floods, and the birds would not relocate there. The complainants did not want to talk, but the Stamms and their attorney did.
This was clearly a bad result, and there was no scientific proof offered to say that any of the purple martins droppings caused any of the problems.
I think one of the big things that surprised me is the lack of knowledge that especially the magistrate has of purple martins. To be making a statement that this colony will easily move to the river batcher with no expertise.
In my opinion, what they've done with this decision in a few years, there will be no more purple martins in Harahan.
From Harahan, Meg Farris, WWL, Louisiana.
Now, today's court ruling does not mean that the birdhouses need to be moved yet. The Stamms plan to appeal to the 24th Judicial District Court.